Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Android games on your PC without any emulator. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, open up your Google Chrome and then go over to this website. Make sure you type it exactly as same, and then you will be brought to this website. Just click on download on PC. Once you do this, just open the setup file and then click on install. After this, it will open your Google Play Store, Google Play Games, and here it will ask you to sign into your account. Just do this and then select any game you want to install. For my case, I'm just installing Clash of Clans for now, and as you can see, Clash of Clans is running smoothly. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.